Your discipline is a joke. It's all costume, no character. You've convinced yourself that buying the notebook is the same as doing the work. It's not. You perform discipline on social media while your real life is a participation trophy. Here's the first harsh truth. You rely on motivation because discipline requires emotional pain, and you're pain averse. Motivation is a spark. Discipline is the choice to endure the burn to keep the fire going long after that spark is gone. You quit the second it starts to hurt. Truth number 2, your environment is actively fighting against you. You try to willpower your way through the day while your phone is pinging with notifications, your pantry is full of junk, and your couch is screaming your name. You are trying to win a war against an army of distractions you willingly invited into your home. You are sabotaged by design. You haven't built discipline. You've built a fragile performance that shatters the second life gets mildly inconvenient. So here's the fix, the only one that works. Stop trying to be disciplined, start building a disciplined environment. Discipline isn't something you find, it's something you design. Uninstall the apps. Don't just close them. Block the websites. Don't just avoid them. Put your gym clothes right next to your bed. Don't just think about the gym. You will never have the mental strength to constantly make the hard choice. So remove the easy choice. Make failure require effort. Make success the default. Your future self is lazy and weak. Design a world today that even that weaker version of you can't mess up. Stop white-knuckling your way through the day and start architecting a life where the right thing is the easiest thing to do. The discipline you're looking for isn't in your mind, it's in your surroundings. Now go be the architect of your life, not just the tenant complaining about the building. What's one thing in your environment you need to change right now so you can't fail? Do it. Or admit you like the performance more than the result.